Yo, what's up guys? Yeah, welcome to another episode of 5 basic skill acquisition program. So in today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how to design a business or complementary card for your ideal business or for that of your clients. So before we get started in today's activity, I want you guys to know that what you're about to learn in the next 3 to 5 minutes is something that anyone at all can do. Anyone with zero knowledge in graphic designing, you don't need to have any graphic design experience, you don't need to know how to use the graphic designing softwares, either be it CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop itself. All you just need for this is just your smartphone and a good internet connection. So before we get started guys, I want you guys to do a simple thing for us so that we can go ahead and proceed with what we have for today. I want you guys to hit the like button down below to like this video and subscribe to our channel so as to receive notifications on any upcoming videos that we have in store for you. So as you do that, let's get started right now. So guys, let's get down to today's business. You can see that I already have the business card maker installed on my phone and I've opened it. So you can get the link to download this app in the description below. So just check the description for the link to download this app. So let's get started. Here, let me show you guys something that I've done before. So this is a sample of a business card that I've made with this app before. So meanwhile, today, for the sake of this lecture, we're going to create a new one. So when we click on create, it's going to take us to the next interface where you see a lot of templates. There are different varieties of templates for you to choose from based on your tastes. But if there's by chance you don't like any of the templates here, you can click on create new. It's going to take you to a blank page where you can create your own customized business card. But for the sake of this tutorial, we'll be making use of a template. So when we go to our home page, you see the fill profile button. You click on it. You fill your details, your name, phone number, and you can fill accordingly before due to the fact that I've used it. So your name, phone number, email address, job title, you fill every details. If you have a logo, you can upload your logo. So when you click on logos, you see there are a variety of images for you to use as your logo if you don't have one. But if you have one, you can also click on here to upload. Although we are not uploading any logo today, so we'll go back and continue with our design. So we click on start designing. When we click on start designing, it takes us back to here where we select our template. So for the sake of this tutorial, let's see which of these templates should we use. Let's see. I haven't seen anyone that I liked yet, so let's keep on scrolling. There are actually a lot of templates that you can choose from. A lot. Templates. Okay, so let's use this. So when we click on this templates, this is how it comes up. So if we have anything to edit, see, based on the fact that we already filled our profile before reaching this stage, everything has been automatically filled for us. If you didn't follow the first step earlier to fill your profile and you just selected a template first, the default settings, the default details is going to show up here, so you have to start editing bit by bit. But once you fill your profile, you don't need to edit anything again. Everything has been set, so all you just need to do is delete the ones that you don't need. Like this, we delete, you select delete. So for our logo, if you want to make it bigger, so see, yes, so I think this is perfect. we'll make some little adjustments. safe. The back side is safe. So you do for the front side. Sorry, I didn't get the front side well. So save as PDF. You save. Come here. You save. So you have both documents saved as PDF on your phone now. So all you just need to do is take it to your printer. Your printer is going to print it out for you as a business card. And I think that's all. So that's all for the tutorial. We all know how to create our own personal business card images, business cards and complementary card for our businesses right now. Guys, I believe that's all for creating a business card or complementary card for our ideal business. And that brings us to the end of today's episode. So before we go, I would like to remind you guys, please don't forget to click on the like button and also hit the subscribe button to follow us and receive notifications of any new videos that we're going to be uploading on our channel. And you can also follow us on our social media handles, link in the description below, to receive offers, promotions and updates on all our services. So that will be all for today. Ensure you practice what you have learned, because if you don't practice, then there's no point in learning. So make sure you do well to practice. Remain blessed.